Hey guys, welcome to my Ipsy Unbagging. This is happening after 2 months because I have 2 bags. Why? Because I didn't end up getting my January bag because it said not delivered, and I was like, I've been getting these for like 2 years. I don't know why it would say not delivered now, so they sent it again. I just realized there's a water noise. It's my fish tank, so forgot about that. I need to change the water tomorrow. So sorry if that's loud and whatever. Moral of the story is we're gonna be doing January and February Ipsy Unbagging. I missed doing this. I feel like it's been so long. Last time I did it was end of December, maybe first week of January. I don't even know. But I'm super excited because I was really looking forward to my January bag and I never got it. So they sent me another one. I don't know which one is which. I don't think they say it on there. But this one has a little extra sticker on it. So I'm gonna open this one because maybe that's the one. Let's see. No, this is a February. So I'm gonna open the January one because let's go in order. So January. I forgot all my products by now. Okay, so this is the bag for January. You probably already know by now. It's cute. This material, it's like a rubbery material. Bag's okay. It's cool. Nothing screams January from it. So first thing I take out. Ooh, eyeshadow. Yes, I've been wanting eyeshadows. Different ones. Cool. So Real Her is it. It looks cute. Shimmery. I kind of want matte now. I feel like I've been getting a lot of shimmery ones. Whoa, though. That's very nice. Kind of. I don't think you can see it on there. Whatever. But yeah. Cool. That was right to me. Trash. Next thing I pull out. Morphe Evan. This is a product I chose myself for a fact. I know this is why I wanted the January bag because I was looking forward to this. Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer. It's the full thing and not just a little tester thing. Oh, so excited. Okay. So, it seems like a little ashy color, so I don't know if that'll be good or not. Looks glossier on camera, but that's what it is. Oh my god, you guys have no idea. This is something I've been looking so forward to. Hopefully end up liking it. And it's a full tube, so under eye needed. I'm not wearing any right now. Next thing I pull out is another. It's Context Liquid Lacquer. Oh, is this lipstick and a full size one? Cool, cool, cool. It's a full size. I just love the full size. I love it. Context Liquid Lacquer. How do you say that word? Lacquer? I think it's lacquer. Probably sound really stupid if it's not the right way. Looks like a brownish pinkish color. I don't know. Oh yes, I like it. Sometimes these end up looking way lighter when you actually wear it, but that's really nice. Definitely a shaded wear. So that's dope. Next thing, this kind of looks all bent up. Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm with hemp oil, nourishes and protects. Urban Juve Ayurveda inspired wellness. Cool. Just a lip balm. All these came in like these boxes. Do you need the boxes? Okay, maybe you twist out. Smooth directions. Smooth onto lips. Thank you. That looks cool. Doesn't really smell like me. It doesn't smell like anything. I don't like that. I like to let them have a little bit of a taste, as weird as it sounds. And then last thing I pulled out of this bag is, oh, this is brown eyeliner, R. Kelly. cool. Ooh, that looks very fine. Okay, yeah, I just put like the tiniest dot of it, but that looks nice. I was like, who wears brown liner? To my roommate, she's like, if you don't want it, I'll take it. I was like, maybe I'll give it a try. That's really cool. And that was all 5 products for this bag. I actually really like the contents of this bag. The bag is alright though. I give the bag like a 3 out of 5. Don't really care for it, as happens to a lot of these Ipsy ones. Anyways, 5 out of 5 for the Morphe. Lip balm, 5 out of 5. I like it. Eyeliner, 4 out of 5, just because I've never really used brown liner, never asked for it. Lip balm, 3 out of 5. Just don't really care for it, and I don't like that it doesn't have a smell. Haven't tried it though, so. Eyeshadow, 4 out of 5. Love the eyeshadows. I'm just like getting sick of the shimmery ones now. I want a little bit matte. And I do like the packaging though. That's nice compared to some of the past ones, which have been really annoying. So that was last month's. And now on to this month's. I have no idea what my products are. My roommate was like, did you see the bag was okay? So there's something else. I don't know if I ordered an extra product with my points for this one. Don't remember. We'll know. Or maybe. I have no idea. The first thing I pull out, it looks really cool. This looks so cool. Shella by Celine Tedrisi Creme de la Creme. The very best cream. Okay. From seed to skin, luxurious body cream formulated with Canadian botanicals, cashew butter, and Abyssinian oil to richly moisturize. Refreshing orange and grapefruit essential oils leave skin decadently scented. I feel like I can't speak. This looks really nice. Smells pretty decent. I just love the packaging. That looks so nice. Golden, I love it. I love that. Don't really care for cream because it's just little bits. I just don't know what to do with it. Next thing I pull out, is this another cream? I think it might be. Hydrating body lotion. This is body lotion. Woohoo. Skylar. It looks very summery, so that's really cool. Capri Sparkling Citrus Sweet. This looks very summer-like, so I think I'd enjoy that for the summer. Oh, it has a seal on it. As did the other one. I think my nose is just clogged and I can't. Okay, I can't really smell it, but I think it's citrusy. It says muy interesante. Next thing I pull out. The other one I realized didn't have a card in it. It tells me what the month was about. That's weird. They always do. Whatever. Maybe they have to send me another one. That's why. Oh, the Sart Professional Makeup Shimmering White Gold Shadow selected from this Viseart's iconic Paris Nudes eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Okay, disappointed. Where's my other eyeshadow? That. I wonder if it fell in here somewhere. Now I'm really sad. And also I hate this packaging. I hate this plasticky, I hate it. I don't even want to use it at that point. It's so irritating. Okay, well, that was fun. I feel like the other piece is going to be in here somewhere. I'm just confused. I don't like this sample thing. I just don't. No. Not paying $12 for that. Okay, I thought it was another moisturizer. It's not. It's Feel Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask. I wanted more face masks because I started to run out, and Rose Petal ones are really good. I have this other one that I got from Ipsy and I love it. The Chloris Ultra Glow Moroccan Rose Mask. Love this. So smooth, so nice. So I will be using this tomorrow. I was supposed to today, but it's like 10:30 at night. So put that there. Next I pull out Auto Balm Girl Power Cheeks on the Go by The Balm. Ooh, this is Bronzen Bleecker Street. Very nice. I think I chose one of my products for this. I don't think it was this one though. Nice. I've been starting to use the bronzers and highlighters I get from this. I didn't used to. I only stuck to ones I normally used, but I realized these actually are really good quality. Well, that's good. And then last thing I pull out is matte lip paint. Color Drain 24/7 in the shade 24/7. Okay. Whoa, it looks really nice. Look at that. Whoa. It's a rosy color. Oh, I love it. I need to stock up more on lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. I love them. And it's this one, this shade, the rosy. And I really like the shade. That's probably my favorite product from this month because everything else. Oh, the bag. I didn't show. It's this velvety bag. My roommate was like, it's okay. I don't know. I like it. I actually like it. I like it. Probably very easily dirty though. Feel the love. Ipsy Feel Love. This actually feels like a Valentine's February bag though, so it's been a while. So that's nice. Treat yourself. Cool. Yeah, the nude eyeshadow palette. That's the most disappointing product I've ever gotten from Ipsy, where I was missing part of the product. So that was really sad. And let me make sure they don't fall anywhere. That's so crazy that they would let something like that happen. Are we surprised though? I don't know. Okay. At least I'll use some of the, oh, whoa, that's the highlighter. Damn, dude. Is that highlighter or eyeshadow? That's very top. I think I can use that in my inner corner. It is eyeshadow palette, yeah. Okay. I'm still so sad. Is the second part not supposed to have something maybe? Maybe I don't know it. Maybe it's not supposed to come out. That's really weird. No, I don't think I'm missing it. Yeah, I think it's only supposed to be that one. It says a shimmering white gold shadow selected from the eyeshadow palette. So it's only supposed to be one, and that was to hold it in place. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. I felt like there'd need to be another one there, and this is like a highlighter. But no, this is eyeshadow. Still don't like the packaging, but it's cool. Cool. Don't use force on it. Alright, so I'm gonna rate my products. Actually, I had 6 products in this, so I did use my points. I don't know what I used. I wonder if I used my points on this. I feel like I did, and I'm so sad that I did. Because there's 6 products. Or I did it on the mask, because I've really been craving masks. I think it was a mask. Anyways, let's rate this. The bag, 5 out of 5. Actually, it's been a while since I've rated a bag 5 out of 5. Really like it. Next, we pulled out the cream. Both creams, honestly, I'll give them 4 out of 5. I don't really care for them. I don't think I'm going to use them that much. I can put them in my bag and stuff. It's really cool. The shadow, 3 out of 5? 2 out of 5. Because, first of all, I don't like the packaging. The shade is not something I want to put all over my eyes. I would have preferred a different bronzer shade maybe for that, but whatever. The bronzer, 5 out of 5. It's a really, I know I don't like the box packaging, but this one's actually really, I don't mind these ones. The magnet, and it's a lot of product, it seems like. The mask, 5 out of 5, because I like masks. And the lip balm, 5 out of 5, the lipstick, because it's a good shade and a good size product. So that is all for this bag and the January bag and both bags, and now we're on track. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe,